We had so much fun presenting at the HouseHack Seattle Happy Hour tonight. Logan, what were your main takeaways?
Well, first, we talked about how anybody can get involved in real estate investing, whether they have a ton of time, whether they have a ton of money, or a little bit of both. And I think we helped show some people that while they may think they're in one category, they may actually be in the little bit of both and have a few more strategies to enter. I think my main takeaway is that to curb the chaos when you're just starting real estate investing, you need to meet just one or two real estate investors who are already doing it and have already been through everything you've done or that you're about to do, so that you can ask for their resources or their connections, whether that's a contractor or a property manager. So you're not guessing or wasting time stressing about, what do I do next? How about you, Rach?
Yeah, I think my main takeaway is to also become an expert in something real estate adjacent so that you can give value and give back to these connections so you're not just taking and not providing any value yourself.
If you want to learn more about real estate investing or make connections with other investors, join us the first Thursday of every month at the HouseHack Seattle, House Hacker, and Investor Happy Hour. See you there.
Oh, that was so